their cage together. I was cleaning the cage, so I put her over there so that she's comfortable. She keeps getting up and wanting to walk around, but I think she prefers the comfort of the cover. This is nice as well because you can also see Keely down there, I think that is, and Kev actually, yeah. So it's all 5 of them together. Oops. That's where the family argument happens. I'm really nervous about this stuff because she doesn't seem to be walking much. But I'm pretty sure it's probably just because of how old she is. Anyway, I'm going to get back to cleaning the cage because otherwise I'll be here all day.